Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share about FortiGate SD-WAN configuration, and this is the ISP1, ISP2, and this is the switch. This is the VPC 1 and 2. This is the Docker. This management. This switch is FortiGate. Okay, and now add the network management cloud. So set. This is the network. Okay, this is save. Okay, I click save. This is the get save save. Okay. And to get to switch, save. Switch to the VPC1, save. And now to VPC2. So okay, the topology is done, and now okay. Okay, now to ISP1. So that is okay. This boot. Okay, configure terminal. Configure terminal. Okay, and now to interface. Ethernet 0/0 IP at DHCP. Okay, why config IP at DHCP? Okay, let's say this is to ISP2. Okay, click enter and configure terminal. Do show IP interface brief. Okay, this is interface. Ethernet 0/0 is this because the IP address is unsigned. Okay, and now to configure interface Ethernet 0/0 IP at DHCP. Okay, okay, and this ISP1 DHCP is at that is the router. Okay, to show interface, do show IP interface with. Okay, this is the interface 0/0, and now to the router 2, do show IP interface with. Okay, this DHCP is added, and next the configuration. Okay, now configuration to point this router ISP1 to the FortiGate. Okay, now interface Ethernet 0/1. Click enter. IP at 128.21.1 0 and 101. Okay, this prefix is prefix 30. Okay, you can click the enter and exit. Back to white. Okay, now to ISP2, enter interface Ethernet 0 and 1. Okay, interface Ethernet 0 and 1, enter IP at 192.168 and 0 and 101, and the prefix is same to the router 1. Use prefix 30. Okay, click enter and X and to right. Okay, do show IP interface brief. Okay, this is the Ethernet 0 from 0, add IP address from the network DHCP, and the Ethernet 0 and 1 added with me. Okay, okay, now configure the next device. This is the FortiGate. Okay, enter login admin. And no password. Default is no password. No, doesn't have a password. Click enter. Click a new password. New password is 123. Enter. 123. Enter. Okay, this is the FortiGate. And now the configure system interface. Okay, now set mode static. Okay, now set IP 138 and 20 and 0 and 2. Okay, don't forget to prefix 30. Okay, one. Okay, configure system interface. Okay, edit port 1 and set mode static. Set mode static. Okay, and now to the set IP and 1 and 2 and okay, perfect 30. Yeah, now set all access, allow access, access, HTTPS and telnet and SSL and ping. Click enter. Okay, now to port 2, click next. Okay, bit port 2, enter. Okay, set static, set mode static, set IP 192.168 and 0 T perfect 30 ZPF set IP. Okay, this is okay. Set allow access HTTPS and telnet SSH ping. SSH and ping. Okay. Okay, now to next. Next. Okay, edit port 4. Edit port 3. Click enter. Set IP 10.10.10 and to traffic 30. Okay, set the static and set allow access HTTPS and telnet SSH and ping. Click enter. Click N to save this configuration. Okay, because this is the Ethernet 0 is I configure the static. Okay, save. Okay, check the okay, because this the port 3 is 10.10.10 and 2. Okay. Okay, now to configuration to the Docker. Click the connect. Okay, click the IP from the Fortinet 10.10.10 and 2. Click enter.
Apaan sih ini jadi kagak bisa di
Okay, now to configure the FortiGate, click the manage. Okay, click the OK and add your username and don't forget the password. Click login. Okay, later. And the first step in configuration, click the network and network interface. Okay, this is the port in the FortiGate 1, 2, 3, and 4. The port 1 and 2 connect the ISP 1 and 2, and port 4 connect the Docker manage, and port 3 the switch, and this is the configuration. The create new physical interface, create the VLAN 10 and 20 for this port, and SD1 the default, this is the red, and this is the Chile console. Click enable, set enable set status enable, and then click the create new and choose the SD1 member, and then to SD1 roles. Okay, create the roles PC1 and PC2 or VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. The goals is VLAN 1, VLAN 10 or PC1. Traffic is port 1, ISP1, and the VLAN 20, the traffic for the port 2 or the ISP2. Okay, and SD1 roles, and next to verification the static root. Okay, don't forget the add static root virtual one link, status enable, and destination 000/0, and don't forget to test ping from the PC. Okay, test ping egg. Okay, the ping is successful. And next, the next configuration in policy and object. Click and choose the firewall policy. Okay, the function in firewall policy is the same for DHCP, the FortiGate port 1 and port 2. To add the IP configuration for VPC4 and for VPC6, create the access VLAN 10 and VLAN 10 address, the destination all, and schedule always, and suffice all, and action accept and not the enable, and security profile no inspection, and login click all. Okay, check the VPC4 show IP. Okay, VPC4 IP mask is 10.2 prefix 24. Check the IP DHCP. Okay, DORA. Okay, and next VPC6 show IP. Okay, the IP or mask, this is prefix 24. Check the IP DHCP. Okay, DHCP is successful, DORA, and test ping to egg. Dah. Okay, successful. And next, test root, test egg. Okay. Okay, VPC6 or VLAN 20, threshold to egg. The traffic from 192, 168, and 0 and 101. This is the from ISP2. Now try to the delete cable on FortiGate. Delete. Lah. Okay, delete the cable. Okay, wait. Delete. Okay, check the traffic from VPC 6 trace. Okay, the traffic changed to from ISP1 because the traffic in ISP2 is down. Okay, and now try to connect again the cable. Save. Threshold to egg. Okay, the traffic from ISP to okay, this is the excitement for this week. Okay, thank you for attention. So, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.